Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelly if you're new here. In this video I've got the September Boxycharm unboxing. This theme is all access. Looks like we get 5 products again. The first product is the Violet Voss Essentials Eyeshadow Palette. Said it provides revamped essential shades in an equal number of breathtaking mattes and metallics so you can create the most fashion-forward neutral looks. The Essentials palette was designed for everyday use in stunning mix of warm and cool tone shades for countless color combinations. Rethink Essentials and effortlessly take your look from day to night. Achieve a soft glam or go bold with a pop of color. The choice is yours. This palette retails for $29. This is the cover. I'm going to turn my light down so you can tell a little bit more true color. Oh, they're beautiful. They're still not as vibrant as they are in person. I'm going to swatch 2 of the mattes and 2 of the shimmers here for you. The first is going to be Terracotta, Cream, Emerald, and the Dusty Rose. If you see right here. This one is the Dusty Rose, Emerald, Cream, and Terracotta. Sorry, the lighting in here just doesn't do it justice. It's beautiful. I look forward to using that. Okay, the next thing I have here is the Dr. Brandt Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. A hydrating recovery sleeping mask that balances skin's natural occurring flora and locks in moisture overnight to reduce redness and soothe the signs of irritation. This is the carton. I don't know if you can... Let's see if I can get it to focus. Sorry, it's not wanting to focus. Sorry. Okay, so that's the carton. This is what the product itself looks like. Nice white tube. Says Botanic Complex Balance Dr. Jart Hydrobiotic. Says apply mask to clean, dry skin before bedtime. Do not rinse. Use nightly. Let's see what it smells like. Feels very moisturizing. Give it a shot. I love Dr. Brandt. My son's right here beside me. And that retails for $52. Okay, the next thing I have is the Moda 5-piece brush kit. It says Moda Pro takes Moda to the next level. This line features superior quality filaments and modern professional shapes. Use this kit to create endless on-trend eye looks. You get 5 brushes. You get a shade brush, a smudger brush, a liner, a crease brush, and a detail brush. The handles are that diamond texture and they're matte black. They feel very nice. They're good weight. They don't feel cheap. That kit retails for $27.95. The next thing I have is the Hank & Henry Blackety Black Eyeliner. It says, introducing our latest addition to the Slick With It line of eye products. Our eyeliner is vegan liquid formula that dries down to a satin matte finish. This formula is extremely long wearing and transfer resistant, which is perfect for those with hooded eyelids. All right, hey, no. You're getting in the camera over there. Have a seat. He dies to be on the camera. He loves it. Packaging, the lid is kind of a coppery color with a white, and this is in the color black. I'll swatch it for you. It's a brush tip. I don't do a lot of eyeliner because I do have a lot of transfer. So I do have hooded eyelids, so I will give this a shot. And that's already dried down. And it looks more of satin, but I do see some bleeding on there into my fine lines. Okay, that retails for $20. The last product I have is Billion Dollar Brow, the Microblade Effect Brow Pen. This brow pen mimics the look of actual brow hairs to get a great microblade effect without the blade. It can be used to define a very bold brow or create natural looking brow hairs for a more subtle look. This long-lasting formula will last for an all-day look. This retails for $18. And this is what it looks like. It's just a standard pen. And you can see it's got the, I don't know if you can see it, the little 3 or 4 ridges there. And this is in the color dark, but I think I could still use this even with mine as long as I went really, really light. Because it does look like actual brow hairs. It doesn't bleed, but you can see. I'll get you an eyebrow real quick. Let's see here. Yeah, I think it's pretty good. Sorry, awkward swatch. Realistic looking eyebrow there. I'm excited to give this a try. Let's see if it's transfer resistant. And it is. Waterproof? Yes, it is. Still there. Okay. So, that's all I have this time. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.